Lesson 1. Looking for places. Saan and ang are probably the most important words in Tagalog a tourist should know. These two words allow you to get directions, as you will see in our examples. Saan is Tagalog for English word where. Use it at the beginning of a sentence when asking direction for a place. Ang is Tagalog word for the. Where are we going? Where is our destination? Saan ang punta natin? Where is the bathroom? Saan ang kubeta? Where is the place to eat? Where is the restaurant? Where is the dining room? Saan ang kainan? Where do we sleep? Where is the bedroom? Where is the bed? Saan ang tulugan? Where is the store? Where is the grocery store? Saan ang tindahan? Where is the shop? Where is the car repair shop? Saan ang talyer? Where is the pharmacy? Saan ang parmasya? Where is the medical clinic? Saan ang pagamutan? Where is the hospital? Saan ang ospital? Where is the entrance? Saan ang pasukan? Where is the exit? Saan ang labasan? Where is the school? Saan ang paaralan? Where is the bank? Saan ang bangko? Where is the meeting place? Saan ang tagpuan? Where are we going? Saan tayo pupunta? Where are you going? Saan kayo pupunta? Where did we come from? Where have we been? Saan tayo galing? Where did you come from? Where have you been? Saan kayo galing? Where is the embassy? Saan ang embahada? Where is the police station? Saan ang pulisya? Where is the church? Saan ang simbahan? Where is the jeepney stop? Where is the bus stop? Where is the port? Saan ang sakayan? You can combine saan ang with proper names. Where is the Pantranco bus terminal? Saan ang Pantranco bus terminal? Where is Manila? Saan ang Manila? Where is Makati? Saan ang Makati? Where is the University of the Philippines? Saan ang University of the Philippines? You can combine saan ang with common English nouns. Where is the library? Saan ang library? Where is the meeting place? Saan ang meeting place? Where is the church? Saan ang church? Where is the wedding? Saan ang wedding? Where is the exit? Saan ang exit? Many Tagalog speakers will say you can use saan ang with things. For example, you can say saan ang baso for where is the cup. Another example is saan ang pagkain for where is the food. However, fluent Tagalog speakers use another word for locating things, nasaan. Where is the cup, for instance, is more accurately translated, nasaan ang baso? Likewise, where is the food is more accurately translated, nasaan ang pagkain? If you are a beginner, do not worry about the difference between saan and nasaan. Use saan and you will be understood. We will learn the difference in another lesson. This is the end of Lesson 1.